Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of VeChain, a blockchain platform revolutionizing supply chain management and enterprise solutions. With recent developments and the ongoing bull run, VeChain is poised for exciting growth. Let's explore the latest news and delve into a price prediction for VeChain in this bullish market. 1. Introducing VeChain. Let's kick things off by introducing VeChain. Launched in 2015, VeChain is a blockchain platform designed for enhancing transparency and traceability in supply chains. By leveraging distributed ledger technology, DLT, VeChain enables businesses to securely track and authenticate products throughout their lifecycle, from production to consumption. 2. Latest news. Now, let's delve into the latest news surrounding VeChain. In recent months, VeChain has been making significant strides in adoption and partnerships. One notable development is VeChain's collaboration with leading enterprises in various industries, including food and beverage, logistics, and luxury goods. Additionally, VeChain's expansion into the NFT space with the Veev platform has further diversified its ecosystem and attracted a broader audience. 3. VeChain's price performance. As we analyze VeChain's price performance, it's essential to consider its recent trajectory in the bull market. VeChain has experienced notable price appreciation in recent months, fueled by growing adoption and market sentiment. However, it's crucial to approach price predictions with caution, as cryptocurrency markets are inherently volatile and unpredictable. 4. Bull run potential. Now, let's discuss VeChain's potential in the current bull run. With its unique value proposition and real-world utility, VeChain is well-positioned to thrive amidst the bullish market conditions. As enterprises increasingly recognize the importance of supply chain transparency and authenticity, the demand for VeChain solutions is expected to rise, potentially driving further adoption and price appreciation. 5. Price prediction. While it's challenging to provide an exact price prediction, many analysts are optimistic about VeChain's prospects in this bull run. Based on current trends and market dynamics, some experts believe that VeChain could see significant upside potential, with price targets ranging from insert predicted price range by the end of the bull cycle. However, it's essential to note that price predictions are speculative and subject to change based on various factors. And there you have it, our overview of VeChain's latest news and potential in the ongoing bull run. With its innovative technology and growing ecosystem, VeChain continues to solidify its position as a leader in enterprise blockchain solutions. As always, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and consider your risk tolerance before investing in any cryptocurrency. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy hodling.